Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set that we just had done for a customer. It features the diamond dust finish with the diamond cuts. It is solid 925 sterling silver, handmade for perfect fit. You can get your own custom grills at blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Beautiful handmade work. These are not made by a machine, these are made by hand, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Show you the backside real quick. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.